Are your post-renovation cleaners experienced with luxury or delicate finishes?
Yes, we are experts in cleaning high-end homes and newly renovated properties with delicate or luxury finishes. In fact, many of our clients are architects, designers, or homeowners with exacting standards who choose us for our gentle, detail-focused approach. We're trained to clean natural stone surfaces like marble, travertine, limestone, polished concrete, parquetry, and matte finish hardwood floors. Designer tapware such as brushed brass, matte black, rose gold, mirrored, metallic, and two-pack cabinetry. Custom light fittings, pendant lights, glass balustrades, and feature walls. Premium appliances, integrated fridges, and butler's pantries. We use non-abrasive tools, pH-balanced products, and microfiber-only systems to avoid scratching or streaking. Each cleaner is trained to identify surface materials and follow manufacturer-safe cleaning protocols. If your home has premium finishes that need TLC, we're the team that knows how to protect your investment, not compromise it.